Good morning. This is my second take of this. I wanted to go over all of the stuff that I took notes on, but however, that took 8 minutes, and I think our cutoff was 3, so I'm going to try and go over this really quick, so I won't go over everything, but I will show all my notes. So first off, for the overview of the program, I feel like our cohort is a lot like our Hogwarts house. We go and we take classes together, and we're supported by the people in our team. So for me, it was 3SB. I feel like it's the equivalent of like Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Hogwarts. And then our team leader is kind of like Professor McGonagall for Gryffindor. She's the head of the house. She takes care of all the students. If we need help, we can go to her to get some support. So that's how I kind of perceived that. After 5 years after getting our credential, we need to get a clear credential, and we can get this at state along with an online master's. I think they said that you could get it in 1 year, which is kind of cool. Other things that need to get completed at TPA, REVCA, the Constitution, and CPR. With San Diego State, I think it said that our Constitution was already taken care of, and I'm a lifeguard, so the CPR is not a problem. The Ed TPA and the REVCA are kind of a little daunting to me, though. I'm gonna skip a couple things. There's phone numbers online. Don't do stupid stuff on the program like do drugs, and make sure you attend all your classes. You're paying for all the classes here. Why not attend? I mean, that's kind of the point, right? We're here to learn. Grades, you need to have a 3.0 and a C or better in all your coursework, and that's really important. Otherwise you could get dropped from the program. Also, the coursework is really hard. Everyone keeps emphasizing that, so I'm going to emphasize it too. Coursework is really hard, and I know for me, I'm going to be still running my swim lesson business, but just at reduced time. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. If you're struggling, the admissions committee will step in. Most important part of the program is student teaching. However, you get a credit or no credit for that class, and the school classes are actually the ones that you get grades for. So for that 3.0, make sure that the classes kind of take precedence over the student teaching. Just don't not show up to student teaching, though. Let's see here, skipping a couple more things. Lesson plans. Our team leader will be giving us a lesson plan template, I'm assuming on Tuesday nights, because that's when we have her for class. And then we will need to reflect on how that lesson went. Another thing was be professional. There was a huge long section on it. Basically, hold yourself to a higher standard. Be professional. Don't be on your phones all the time. We're going to have reviews where we're going to be assessed. And treat it like a job. Do your research. Look into the schools, look into the teachers, and principals and stuff, and get to know, where you're going to be placed. Not just the name of the school. I'm at 4 minutes. Okay. If you get your 30-day permit, you can sub up to 5 days for your teacher only during the semester if she calls out sick. The university will be observing us 3 times during the semester. Some are recorded, some we actually have a person in the classroom watching us. We're using 2 main programs, Blackboard and CME. And then there are 5 huge signature assignments that we're going to need to do. And lastly, there'll be awards for good, outstanding students in the spring. I'm looking forward to the rest of the semester.